And school, office, everything sucks. Now I just want to take a break. Relax, bro. We'll do our recording outdoors today. Hi, welcome back to my English YouTube channel. And this video is for you to learn useful phrases for your daily conversation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. I can't do it under my own steam. In episode 2, we told our teacher that we could no longer do the homework under our own steam. We need help, we need someone to guide us, and we need someone to teach us how to do the PowerPoint. But guess what he said? Don't give me all these excuses, you must do it! For this time around, I must defend for myself. I try my very best but I can't do it. Is that my problem? Solve it yourself. Okay, fine. It's easier said than done because you don't understand my feelings. And now I just want to go somewhere to let off steam. So, did you hear that? Our phrase for today is let off steam. Let off steam. That's right. It is more appropriate to call this as to let off steam. To let off steam. To let off means to let go or to get rid of. Whereas the steam here means your strong emotions such as your pent-up energy or your anger. So when you say that you want to let off steam, it means you want to release your strong emotions, especially your anger. Here, I have another example for you. After a big fight, I decided to take a ride to let off steam. Of course, you feel angry after the fight, so you need to go outside to release your stress and anger. Next, we focus on the following modified Hong Kong drama that provides a very familiar situation in which you will find the phrase relevant to your life.
3, 2, 1.
We have been together for 5 years and I thought we should get hitched. Whoa. So you think I am the one putting it off all this time and I must be blamed? Okay, fine. So I should say sorry, right? I don't mean it. Oh, you don't mean it? So what does it mean? You know a wedding party needs a lot of money. Now you have the engagement ring, still not happy, huh? No, of course not. I like the ring so much. Should I still trust you? You know now you are really full of shitty lies. You are just a liar, I know it. So now you regret being with me, do you? I'm sorry to make you angry. I know I shouldn't have pushed you, but the pressure is getting to me. And my mom keeps on asking this question over and over again. And your mom is a bitch. Tell her we need privacy. I need to take a walk to let off steam. This is a good idea to let off steam, and I also think that I need to let off steam. So I shouldn't linger here for too long to make this video. Bye guys!
奶，我以後仲點信你啊？
對唔住啊，公爺，係我衰，係我講大話。